back. So getting into another episode of Castlevania. This is season 3, episode number 2, and it's called The Reparation of My Heart. So in the previous episode, bless your dead little hearts, we had a catch up with Belmont and Cypher. They're off having adventures, and they've come across this dodgy little town where there's some weird monks. So I think these monks are like Dracula worshippers. Alucard is on his own and getting used to life, living by himself, all lonely and stuff. Feel sad for him. And then we had Carmilla go back to her home, and she met her sisters. Hector is with Carmilla, and she's mistreating him a little bit. He's become a slave because he can create an army for her, but he's just food and being kicked about, so he's not having a good time. And Hector is off doing his own thing in the desert, making an army of his own. So I don't know if we're going to see him in this episode or not, but let's get down to it. Let's dive into episode number 2 of season 3 of Castlevania on my brand new iMac. 24 inches is nice. All right, everything's recording. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Volume. All right. What horror and bloodshed are we going to see in this episode? Looks good on my new screen, that's for sure. All right, so where are we? I have a feeling we're going to come across Hector. Maybe. Or monsters. We got a lot of monsters. It is Hector with his army. Holy shit. Crikey. Dude. He is going to be formidable. Look at these things. Don't cross him. That's one of those giant head things from Easter Island. I saw it. He hasn't bathed. Yuck. Oh, it's not him. Yuck. Tasted it? Yuck. Susie. There you go. The title of the show. No humans left in hell. Oh. A what? Sold it. Oh. Vampies. A lockbox? Oh, okay, handy. Dean. So, missed out. Dean. Dean? I did it wrong. A lot of money. And health. Health. Oh, there he is. Ah. Oh my god. Barely. Looks cold. Carmilla. There she is. I like her. She's so cool. Stereo. Stereo lane. Oh. Giving it to him for free? Bring me back? Bring me back. As a beastie? These character designs are awesome. Time to feed. Lunch is on, boys. Oh, you're all dead, mate. They're trying to leave via ship. Right? Dickhead. So dumb. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Pissed him off. Damn. Oh. Oh. Carnage. That's what you get for being a dick. Murdered. Oh. People being ripped in half. Glorious. Gross, but glorious. They should have just let him be. Perfect landing. I'll give it a 10. Oh, you're going to be sailing somewhere. You're not going to be bored in about 5 minutes. Maybe 2. He doesn't seem too fussed about all the monsters coming at him. He's a cool character. But he's never done it before. How would he know? That. Oh, he knows what he is, obviously. Wow. Captain. I like him. He's very smooth. I like him. Yeah, let's not forget that. Don't eat my crew. I'd be super nervous if I was one of his crew members, though. I'm like, can you really take this guy's word that his monsters aren't going to get hungry and need a snack in the middle of the night? Now I've got to remember all the names. A lot of new characters. Morana, Carmilla, Hysteria. Right, food. Like a supermarket. Yeah, poor Hector. Then you need to treat him better. God. He's your number one guy. That's what we do. Oh, they're going to eat babies? It is a good plan. Dracula wanted to kill everyone. As a human, I get it. It's a good idea. No. Yep. Yep. Not at all. Fuck you, Camilla. You'll be too weak. Mm-hmm. See, Isaac? Cool. She looks sweet. She does look sweet. Scary love. Is this Belmont? We got Belmont? Oh, Belmont and Cypher in bed together. Okay. Morning. Oh. So glad my wife doesn't do that to me. Sometimes I think I was born in the wrong century. This life seems idyllic to me. This guy. Soap and water. Saint Germain. Nope. Ha! Do we trust this guy? Jesus of Murder. What is this guy after? Who is he? What does he want? Is he magic? Creepy monks. Creepy monks. Creepy, creepy monks. Wow. Yeah, that's the sweet spot. We've had hell mentioned a couple times in this episode. So I'm thinking Dracula's been sent there and they can bring him back. They want to bring him back. Told ya. Oh, they're going to bring them both back? Is Dracula's wife, is Elisa, right? Is she going to be like an evil thing? Dracula's resurrection. He's immortal? Who is this guy? Why is he immortal? They're going to bring Dracula back. Hell yeah. Alucard, you poor bastard. He's so lonely and pretty. Somebody's approaching. He's got fine senses. Is somebody about to attack? Oh, he's got a rock. Somebody's got an arrow cocked at him. Ugh. Fast. Really? Alucard. All right. Ouch. The Alucard. Right. Alucard. Get the pronunciation right. Brother and sister. Right. Scary ones. Wow. Not brother and sister. They look like they're brother and sister. I'm really confused. I suppose brother and sister can hold hands. Right? It's not weird. So they want to learn how to kill vampires. Mm-hmm. It's a lot. Jackpot, baby. Wow. Cool. Slayers. So Sumi and Taka. I'm really terrible with names. I need to learn this ever-growing cast of characters. Jason Isaacs? Bill Nighy? I wonder who Lance Reddick? I really got to check out the cast list again. Because I think they're all doing a stellar job. It's an amazingly animated show too. It just looks so good. Long credits though. Long ass credits. You do you. I'm just gonna check something. I'm talking to my computer. Castlevania. Okay, season 3, episode 2. Who's Jason Isaacs doing? The judge. Which one's... Who's the judge? Have we seen the judge? Oh, Bill Nighy is doing Saint-Germain. Saint-Germain? Is that his name? Bill Nighy is doing his voice. Oh, that makes him automatically cooler. Because I love Bill Nighy. He's an amazing character actor who appears in a lot of genre films. He's in the Underworld series, I think the first one, and of course Shaun of the Dead. So yeah, that's very, very cool. Lance Reddick is Captain. Oh, Lance Reddick was doing the voice of the Captain. He's amazing as well. Okay, cool. Just a few names I wanted to kind of catch up on. All right, so we've got new characters. All the sisters. I haven't got my glasses on. Lenore. Who else? So Sumi, new character. Morana, one of the sisters. Striga, one of the sisters. Carmilla, by Jamie Murray. So Jamie Murray was in Dexter. That's where I know her from primarily. Taka. Okay, so Taka and Sumi. Couple of young vampire slayers in the making. So they've come to the right place. They want to get information on how to kill vampires. They got the son of Dracula. They got Dracula's castle, and they got the Belmont stronghold. So these two kids are going to get a lot of information. Now, I'm not really too sure on their relationship status at this point. I don't know if they're brothers and sisters, or siblings, or if they're lovers. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. They could be just workmates as far as I know. But there was a scene of them holding hands. So it tells me that they have a close relationship in some way. Not that it matters. I'm just curious. It's just things that I notice. So Saint-Germain, he walked off saying that he was immortal. So we're still not too sure on who or what he is or what he wants. But like I mentioned, there was multiple mentions of hell. So we know hell is a place. Crazy Monk Guy mentioned that Dracula's wife is still alive down there, and Dracula went to meet her. And that guy, that strange witch man talking to Hector at the beginning, also talked about hell. So I think ultimately the plan is for those monks to resurrect Dracula and maybe Lisa as well. So endgame, and I can't wait because I miss Drac. I want him to come back. So for him to appear suddenly at some point during the rest of the seasons would be damn cool. And imagine how pissed off he would be coming back. Would you be happy or sad coming out of hell? I know Carmilla will be pissed off, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm going to dive into the next episode, so I guess I'll catch you guys next week for more Castlevania. Don't forget to check out all my links down below for all my socials and subscribe, Patreon, like. Thank you. Done. See you next week. Thanks for watching.